Step 1. Press 1, 2, 3, 4 and hash to arm. Make sure all zones are close. The specific zone LED will indicate zone condition. If LED on, means the zone is open, while if LED off, means the zone is close. Let's say, Zone 2 has been triggered. Step 2. Press 1, 2, 3, 4 and hash to disarm. Step 3. Press and hold button 6 to check which zone has been triggered. In this case, Zone 2 is blinking, means Zone 2 has been triggered. Step 4. Press hash to clear memory. All done. Thank you.